Hello and welcome to the Easy English Pronunciation Series with Essa. Today we will be focusing on the long I sound. This video series will cover step-by-step pronunciation of the various sounds in the English language. You can do the videos in order or choose which sounds you need extra help with pronouncing. Let's get started with the long I sound. The long I sound is a double vowel. To make the long I sound, begin with your lips about 3/4 inches apart, then move your lips to a small smiling position. It sounds like this. I. If you put your fingertips on your throat while you say the sound, you can feel the vibration. Let's try it again. I. Now let's try some words beginning with the long I sound. Repeat after me. I. I'm. Ice. Island. Aisle. Idea. Ivy. Iron. Irish. Idaho. Excellent. Now let's try some words with the long I sound at the end of a word. Hi. Bye. Die. My. Sigh. Tie. Try. Lie. I. Rye. Guy. Why. Sky. Pie. There we go. Now let's try some words with the long I sound in the middle of a word. Diet. Might. Bike. Hide. Quiet. Night. Rice. Side. Tire. Sight. sight, sign, sign, diaper, diaper, wine, wine, rhyme, rhyme, white, white, design, design, cried, cried, like, like. There we go. Are you ready for some sentences? Repeat after me. Try my pie, Ida. Try my pie, Ida. What time do you dine? What time do you dine? Write like this. Write like this. That guy might buy my bike. That guy might buy my bike. I'm fine right now. I'm fine right now. I'm twice your size. I'm twice your size. Where did you buy that beautiful tie? Where did you buy that beautiful tie? That was quite an exciting ride. That was quite an exciting ride. Why did he lie to Ira? Why did he lie to Ira? The sign said to be quiet. The sign said to be quiet. Write down your height. Write down your height. The ice cream man was nice and polite. The ice cream man was nice and polite. I find that wine makes me tired. I find that wine makes me tired. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye for now.